How are you all? I hope you all are very fine at home. Take care of yourself and your family. Okay, children? So, back to the study. In the previous period of YLE, we have completed the reading and writing part 2. Am I right? Yes, children. So, today we are going to continue with the reading and writing part 3 training test 1. Okay? And after that, we'll continue with the part 4. Isn't it? So, shall we start? Everyone, have you taken your book? Very good. Now, open the reading and writing part 3, that is page number 18. What is the page number? It is 18. Yes. Keep pencil also with you, children. Take everything. Very good. Let's continue. Now here, what we have to do is, so the first question is related to vocabulary. That is, especially it is focusing on the meaning. Now here what we have to do is, here is one text is given. Okay. So we have to read that text very carefully, and then we have to solve the question which are related about to that text. Every question has 3 options. So we have to choose which is the correct option. But remember one thing, that we have to read the passage very carefully. We have to understand the key words from the passage. What is the information which is very important and what is which is not important, that we have to identify, and then focus on the text. So, shall we start? What is given in the text? See, here it is. But before that, there is one box is given about the text. So, what is mentioned in that box? It is tip. Tip is given. What is there in that tip? For some questions, you need to understand the main or most important idea. So, read the text from the start to finish. Think about what information is very important and which is less important. Understood? So, shall we start the text? What is given in the paragraph? Focus here. Okay. Here is the paragraph given which is related to the band. See, we are looking for students to join the school band. We are looking for the students to join the school band. You don't need to know how to play an instrument yet. See, children, means in the paragraph they are looking for the students to join the school band. Do you know band? In which all the instruments are there. We have to play that instruments. So, the school is searching for the students to join the school band, and you don't need to know how to play an instrument yet. We will teach you. And it means, children, there is no compulsion that we have to play that instrument and all, or we know about the particular instrument and how to play that, etc. It is not compulsory. It means the school is going to teach us everything, how to play the instrument, how to play the drum or synthesizer, etc. Okay. So, choose from the guitar, drum or keyboard. So, there are 3 instruments. What are that? The one is guitar, another is drums, or the third one is the keyboard. You don't need to buy your own instrument, as the school will lend you one. See, children, here, we not need to buy the instrument. The school is going to provide us the instrument. You can even take it home to practice. Even, children, we can take that instrument at home and we can practice it. All we need is your time 1 hour a week for a music lesson on Monday or Tuesday, and 2 hours on Thursday evening for band practice. So come along and have some fun. See, children, only the school want 1 hour for music lesson when it is on Monday or Tuesday. Understood? It means for theory study, theoretical part it is. So 1 hour for the music lesson, that is on Monday or Tuesday, and 2 hours for the band practice on Thursday evening. Understood? So come along and have some fun. Yes children, so this is the text which is given, and now we have to choose the correct option. And the question are, before that, have you understood the paragraph? What is mentioned in the paragraph? The paragraph about what? Everything. Have you understood? Yes. So the paragraph is about the musical band of the school, and the information is given related to that. Yes. Now we are going to focus on the questions. So let's see the first question. Read the text and choose the best answer. Yes. So the first one, read the text and choose the best title. It means we have to choose the best title for the given paragraph. Understood? We have to choose the best title for the given paragraph. And the options are option A, types of music, option B, free music lessons, and option C, join the band. So children, just now we read the paragraph. So which one is the correct option? Types of music, free music lessons, or join the band? What do you think? Just think. Look at the keywords from the text. Focus on it and then identify. Just think children. What do you think? In the passage, different types of music, is it mentioned? No. Types of instruments are mentioned, that is guitar, drum and keyboard. But I don't think so the passage is related to this. So this one is not the correct option. Then free music lessons. Is it mentioned children over there that the free music lessons are going to conduct? No. Only it is said that for the music lesson and band practice we have to go to school. Yes. Then the third one, B, option B is also not correct. So the option number C, that is join the band. Am I right? I think so option C is the correct answer. What do you feel? How? Yes children, because the whole paragraph contains this only, that join the band, join the school band. Isn't it? We don't have to know that how to play this particular instrument or whether that instrument is with us or not. No, the school is going to provide everything. Even we can take the instrument at home also. Understood? So, I think that option C, join the band, is the correct option. So, will you do the tick mark in front of it like this? See here. Option C is the correct answer. Children, here I am using E tool. That is, because of that only the tick marks and the coloring part, it is not the clear. But you have to use the pencil and do the marking accordingly. Particular answer. Understood? Yes. Now choose the correct answer about the text in exercise 1. Next is, the school band is looking for. Now we know the text, what is content about. Then the first question is, the school band is looking for. The school band, what it is searching? See, the options are students who can play an instrument. Option B, students who want to join the band. And option C, student who have their own instrument. Which one is the correct? Just think. Read the paragraph once again. Which one is the correct answer, my children? Yes. Let's see now. Students who can play an instrument. Is it correct? No. In fact, in the paragraph it is mentioned that you don't need to know how to play an instrument. We will teach you. It means the school is going to teach us how to play the instrument. So the option A is not the correct option. Option B, students who want to join the band. What do you think, children? Is it correct? I think so. Yes, this one is the correct answer. Students who want to join the band. Yes. So the option B. Yes, children, in the paragraph it is clearly mentioned that we are looking for the students to join the school band. So the school band is looking for students who want to join the band. This one is the correct answer. And option C, students who have their own instrument. Is it like this, children? See, read in the paragraph what is mentioned. You don't need to buy your own instrument. The school will lend you one. It means option C is also wrong option, and that is why option B is the correct. So do the tick mark in front of option B. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Now the second number question. Band practice. Band practice. Option A is on Thursday. Option B is on Monday or Tuesday. And option C lasts 1 hour. Which one is the correct, my dear children? See, now we'll focus on when the practices are going on. See, 1 hour a week for a music lesson. What is mentioned in the question, children? Band practice. So music lesson it is not there. Okay. Then on Monday or Tuesday let it be. And 2 hours on Thursday evening for band practice. Yes, children. So when the band practice is there is on Thursday. Option B is on Monday or Tuesday. No. On Monday and Tuesday music lesson is there. And option C lasts 1 hour. See, children, 1 hour is only music lesson, not the band practice. So option B and option C are both options are wrong, and option A is the correct option. So the band practice is on Thursday. So option A is the correct. Now do the tick mark. Yes. Everyone be focused. You all are writing with me? Very good. Have you understood till here the first question? Have you understood? Yes, my dear children. Okay. So shall we move forward towards the next question? Let's see. But before that, I want to erase this. So just a minute. Now children, here is some grammar part. Next question is related to the grammar only. So that's why I am going to explain this. In the next question we have to use in, since, for and ago. Okay. So before that we will see when to use in, since, for and ago. See children. In and ago are often used with the simple past. It means children, if the sentence is in the simple past tense, then we have to use in or ago. Understood? Clear? Very good. Next is for and since tend to be used with the present perfect. It means if the sentence is in the present perfect tense, then we have to use for and since. Have you understood in which tense, which words we have to use? Okay. Next is in is often used with years, months and seasons. It means in the sentence, suppose year, months and seasons are mentioned, it means we have to use in. And last is for is used with a period of time, that is 6 months or 2 years, etc. It means in the sentence, if the particular period of time is mentioned, then we have to use for. For example, 6 months or 2 years, etc. Understood, my dear children? Very good. So, let's move towards the question. Yes. Now, here is the grammar part which is mentioned. Complete the sentences with in, since, for or ago. Okay. See, one example is given. I have known Marcus dash a long time. Okay, this is the sentence given. Now here children, a long time is mentioned. Long time is particular period of time is mentioned. And for that we have to use, see here, for is used with the period of time. So here long time is mentioned, period of time. That is why for is used. I have known Marcus for a long time. Understood? So, in this way, we have to write the answers in these 7 questions. So, will you please try to write? You can pause the video and then you can write the answers. I will give you 2 minutes and afterwards we will cross check the answers. Okay? Yes, children. Read it carefully. You can see that rules which are mentioned on that screen, and then according to that you can write the answer. Okay. Let's cross check the answers. First number, we first met dash 2010. We first met dash 2010. So children, this sentence is in which tense? Who will tell me? The sentence is in which tense? The sentence is in simple past tense. Now, according to rule, we can use in or ago for the simple past tense. So, again there is one rule. In is often used with years, months and seasons. Isn't it? And in and ago are often used with the simple past tense. Now here the sentence is in simple past tense and 2010 the year is mentioned particularly. So which is the correct? We first met in 2010. So we have to write in over here. So write with me. Children, I am writing with the E tool. That is why it is not written properly. You have to use pencil and write it properly in neat and clean handwriting. Understood? Very good. Second number, I visited Australia 5 years dash. Now see children, again the sentence is in the simple past tense. And in the sentence, the particular period of time is mentioned. That is 5 years. So, the sentence is in the simple past tense and particular period of time is mentioned. Then, what we have to use? We have to use ago. So, I visited Australia 5 years ago. Write down A G O. Very good. Third number, my parents have lived here dash the early 2000s. My parents have lived here dash the early 2000. What will come? You can see this rule. Just a minute. You can see, you can read these rules again. In and ago are often used with the simple past. For and since tend to be used with the present perfect. Yes. Now here children, my parents have lived here dash the early 2000s. It means the sentence is in the present perfect. So what we have to use? We have to use since. My parents have lived here since the early 2000s. So write down since. Just a minute. So children, my parents have lived here since the early 2000s. S-I-N-C-E. Fourth, I spoke to my teacher a few minutes dash. Here also a particular period of time is mentioned, that is few minutes. So what we have to use? I spoke to my teachers a few minutes ago. So write down ago. A-G-O. A-G-O. Fifth number. I love going to the beach dash the summer. I love going to the beach dash the summer. Now children, in the sentence a particular season is mentioned. So see here, according to rule, in is often used with years, months and seasons. So what do you think? What will be the answer? I love going to the beach dash the summer. What will be the correct answer? Who will tell me? Is it in the summer? Is it correct? Just think. Yes, I love going to the beach in the summer. So write down in. Just a minute. I-N, in the summer. We study English dash an hour each day. We study English dash an hour each day. What will be the answer? In, since, for, ago. Just read the rules once again. What will be the correct answer? Read the rules. Here also we study English dash an hour each day. A particular time period is mentioned, that is an hour. So what will be the correct option? We study English for an hour each day. So the answer will be for. Write down F-O-R. For. And the seventh one, last one is, it's a few years dash I last saw him. Now, what to do? Back to the rules. In and ago are often used with the simple past. For and since tend to be used with the present perfect. In is often used with years, months and seasons, and for is used with a period of time, that is 6 months, 2 years, etc. So, what will be the correct answer? It's a few years dash I last saw him. The sentence is in the present perfect. And the answer is, it's a few years since I last saw him. So the answer is since, that is S, just a minute, S-I-N-C-E. Since is the correct answer. Children, once again I am telling that I am using E tool. That is why my handwriting is not in a proper way. But you are using the pencil or pen. Don't use pen in the textbook, children. Use pencil only and write in neat and clean handwriting. I am going to check your books. Understood? So, have you understood this third number question, which is related to the grammar? When to use in, when to use since, when to use for, and when to use ago. If you have any confusion, just read the rules or you can mail me and ask. Yes. So shall we move towards the next question? Very good. Just a minute, I want to erase this all. So the next question, that question number 14 to 18, for each question we have to choose the correct answer. For each question we have to choose the correct answer. So what is given? Let's see. Now here text is given, paragraph is given, and then according to that we have to choose the correct answer. So first we'll see what is given in the paragraph. Yes, Will's blog. Will's is the name of a boy and Will's blog. Let's see. One day my dad said, "Why don't we have a street party?" This means that the street is closed, so cars can't use it, and people put tables and chairs out in the street, then have a party. So Will is saying that one day his dad asked him that why don't they have the street party. Now children, what is meant by street party? Street party means on that particular street party, the vehicles or the cars are not allowed to go from that street, and the people, they are putting the tables and chairs on the street, and then they have a party. Dad said there was one in 1977 and he still remembers it well. Before this, in 1977, the street party was there and the dad still remembered that party. Everyone loved it. I couldn't believe that since 1977, they never had another one. The party was very nice, children, but that Will, he can't imagine that from 1977 till now, there is no another street party. It's just, what we call, impossible. If it was so good, why not do it again? If the party is so nice, such a good thing, then why can't we not doing again this street party? started to organize it. Then they all started to organize the party together with some other people. Means the people, those who are living that's on that street, that people, the neighbors and this Will and his father, they all starting to organize the street party. I helped to make the web page. So everyone on the street knew about the party and could post their old photos from in the party in 1977. That Will is going to prepare the web page for the party. Because why he is going to prepare the web page? Because everyone will know about the party, and while coming to the party they will bring their old photos from the party of 1977. There were some pictures of my dad when he was a kid and together with his friends who have moved away from the street now. So in that old pictures there are some pictures with of that Will's dad with his friends when they were kid. Okay. But now that people, they moved away from the street now. Now they have changed their place. It was interesting to see that the buildings on the street haven't changed at all. Though the people are changed from that place, but it was very interesting to see that buildings are not changed at all till now. Understood everyone till here? Yes. The next paragraph. My mum was a bit worried about the party. See, that Will's mum, but she was very worried about this party. Why she was worried about this party? But a lot of people on the street don't really know each other, she said. She said that now the people, those who are coming for this party, they really don't know each other. What if they don't have anything to talk about? I just said, relax mum, it will be great. So that mum, she was saying that the people, those who are coming for this party, they really don't know to each other. So if they come, then what they will talk with each other, how they will spend their time with each other. Then for this question, the Will, he replied, relax mum, it will be great. The last paragraph. So, what was the party like? It was fantastic. My friends and I really liked speaking to an old lady called Louisa. She is 89 and was telling us about when she and her friends were our age. So that Will and his friends, they are very happy and very excited about this party, and they enjoyed a lot in that party. Especially they like to speak with that old lady whose name was Louisa, and she is 89 years old. And what she was telling? She was telling about when she and her friends were our age. When she and her friend were that Will's age, how they spend their times, she said that everything. So now I always chat to her when I see her on the street. I didn't know who she was before, so I am glad we had a party. So because of this, the Will is always chat with her whenever he met to that old lady Louisa. He enjoyed to talking with her. But that Will don't know who was this particular lady. But the Will was very glad to had a party. So have you understood the text, children? Can you tell me who wrote this paragraph or who wrote this information about the party? Will. What is the name of the boy? Will. What type of text it is? It is a paragraph, it is a passage, or what? It is a blog entry. What is it? It is a blog entry. What is he writing about? In that blog, what the Will wrote? Yes, the Will is writing about a party, a street party. Understood? Yes. Now, read each and question carefully, my children, and then pick the correct option. So, let's see the questions. I will zoom it. Just a minute. Yes. So the 14th number question, and here children, in the box of advice, hints are given. There are some clues. So we can use that clues to choose the correct answer. Okay. So the 14th number question is, why was Will surprised? Why was Will surprised? And the clue is given. What does Will say he couldn't believe? In the passage or in the blog, what does Will say he couldn't believe? Just read it. Where it is in the first paragraph only. I couldn't believe that since 1977 they never had another one. Okay, see here the options now. Option A, his father wanted to have a street party. Option B, there hasn't been a street party for a long time. And option C, many people remembered the last street party. Which one is the correct? Just now I read the clue also. Why was Will surprised? His father wanted to have a street party. For this reason the Will surprised? No, I don't think so. Option B, the Will surprised because there hasn't been a street party for a long time. So that's why he couldn't believe that there was no party for a long time. So the option B is the correct. And option C, many people remembered the last street party. No, this one is also wrong option. So which is the correct option? Option B. Make a tick mark with me. Option B is the correct. Sorry, it is wrong. Just I put the wrong tick mark. Option B is the correct. Yes. 15 number. What did the photos from 1977 show? What did the photos from 1977 show? There is no clue for this. So directly we can read the options. Option A, the street will looks the same now. Option B, there are more children living in the street now. And option C, the same people will live on the street now. Which is the correct option? You can read in the paragraph. It was interesting to see that the buildings on the street have not changed at all. So which is the correct option? A street still looks the same now. Option B, there are more children living in the street now. No, it is also wrong option. Option C, the same people still live on the street now. No, the people have changed their places. So option A is the correct answer. So put the tick mark on option A. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Everyone, you are doing the tick marks now. You are solving with me. Very good. Now, the question number 16. Why was Will's mother worried? Why was Will's mother worried? Question number 17. Will and his friends enjoyed. Will and his friends enjoyed. And 18. What is the best title for the article? What is the best title for the articles? So these three questions I am not going to tell you at all of these answers. Why? Because you have to do it as a homework. You can use this advice box for this. And in the next period, we'll cross check the answers. And we are going to continue with the test number 4, that is reading and writing part 4. So I hope till here everyone understood. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can mail me on ivbct@pratibhaintschool.org. From Monday to Thursday, you can ask the doubt, you can mail me, and on Saturday, you will get your doubt clearance. Understood everyone? I hope you will solve this question 16, 17 and 18. Advice is there, paragraph is there in front of you, and I explained the paragraph. You understood everything. So please solve these 3 questions and we'll cross check it in the next period. Till then, bye bye. Take care yourself and your family.